how to auto-tune or pitch correct your vocals in Logic Pro X. Now, quick disclaimer, if you do want that authentic T-Pain sound, you do have to get auto-tune. Antares does its own way of processing, but Logic will let you auto-pitch correct at a very low time rate, so it achieves much the same effect. Or you can also get the Waves Tune plugin, which I have here, which I actually like. I use this one. I'm not going to be using it on this tutorial here today, but I just wanted to point that out to you. So what I'll do here is record another layer of vocals. If you've been following the tutorials, we've sort of been building this over the tutorials. I have two manually tuned layers here. If you'd like to see how these were manually tuned, go back a few videos and you'll see this. So I'm going to record a third layer. We'll do these top two as our left and right ear background leads, and then we'll do this as the main lead, and I will pitch correct it using Logic's auto pitch correction tool.
Baby, why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you lately? Give me yes or no or a maybe.
So now we go to our effects and go to pitch and pitch correction. I can manually choose which notes I'm going to want to stick to, or I can choose from a drop down here, which goes through C, major, minor, etc. So I'm going to then turn this down to 0, which means 0 time needed to correct each note. It's not going to drift at all. Okay, so I've got the notes program that I wanted to stick to, which is what these are sticking to as well. Now up here, these are perfect if we look at them in our flex tool. Here, this is not perfect. Let me turn the flex tool on and you'll see these are all over the place. So we're letting the pitch correction tool do what I manually did here a couple tutorials ago. If I go in here and fix these, there's almost no reason to have this unless you do want that 0 time correction instead of a little bit of a natural drift. So I'm not going to fix this layer, and I'm going to let the auto-tune handle this, or the pitch correction handle this.
Baby, why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you lately? Give me yes or no or a maybe. Why your eyes always looking so
Bring the other layers in.
Back to my sound, baby. Why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you?
So for comparison, I'm going to switch from the pitch correction to the manual correction back and forth a few times over the course of 4 bars each, so you guys can hear the difference.
Give me yes or no or a maybe. Come and take a ride in your Mercedes. Why you acting so damn shady? Can you please act like my lady? Why your eyes always looking so hazy? Back to my sound, baby. Why you got me going so...
Okay, there we go. I'm going to play them all together now, one final time, and we'll close up this lesson.
Baby, why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you lately? Give me yes or no or a maybe. Come and take a ride in your Mercedes. Why you acting so damn shady? Can you please act like my lady? Why your eyes always looking so hazy? Back to my sound.
Logic, why you got me going so crazy? Okay, that's how to auto-tune, auto-correct, auto-pitch your vocals in Logic Pro X. By the way, if you've watched all the lessons up until now, you have partially been initiated into Womp Gang. And once you are, you're going to be dangerous. So without further ado, let's continue your initiation. Next lesson in the faster class.